That satisfying crack hides a whole factory of precision. This is canned cold brew coffee.
Every run starts the same. Sanitize the tanks, flush the lines, and keep contamination at 0. Green coffee beans arrive by the pallet, handled fast, kept dry, and moved straight into roasting. Quality control samples every lot, because bad beans can't be fixed later.
Roasting builds the flavor backbone, sweetness, cocoa notes, and that smooth cold brew character.
Fresh roast cools fast, then rests. Degassing keeps extraction stable and consistent. Grind size is critical. Too fine clogs filters. Too coarse turns the brew weak.
Cold brew is mostly water, so the water gets filtered and balanced before anything touches coffee.
Ground coffee and chilled water combine in sealed tanks, mixed gently so every particle gets saturated. Then it steeps, often 12 to 18 hours. Slow extraction with no heat, low bitterness. Recirculation keeps flavor even, pulling sweetness without over-extracting harsh notes. When steeping ends, solids come out, spent grounds off the line, coffee forward.
First filtration removes the big particles, anything that would make the can gritty.
Fine filtration polishes the brew, clean, smooth, and stable without stripping the taste. Blending standardizes strength, so every can matches, batch after batch. For shelf stability, it's treated for safety, heated briefly, then chilled immediately. Now the packaging line starts. Empty cans are fed in and spaced with millimeter precision. Air rinsed and inspected. If a can is dented or dirty, it's kicked out instantly. A nitrogen purge pushes out oxygen because oxygen is the enemy of fresh coffee. Cold brew fills fast and clean, level controlled so every can is consistent. A tiny nitrogen dose pressurizes the can and can create that silky, cascading pour. The lid is double-seamed, then checked. One imperfect seal gets rejected, no exceptions.
Packed, palletized, shipped, then you crack it open and taste a day of engineering in one pour.